Hello and welcome to Tony's Music. My name's Tony and I really do appreciate you joining me on the channel. Please hit the like and the subscribe buttons and hit the notification bell for future reference of new videos I'll be posting every Friday. Firstly, I'd like to say hello to my new subscriber, that's Your Z Digital, and I'd also like to say hello to my latest commenters, which is Ank, Netta and Splatty Edits. Really do appreciate any comments and any subscribers, and I really do hope you enjoy my videos and I hope you find some benefits from them as well. As well as that, please check out my group on Facebook, which is Design and Create, where I've got over 16,000 assets which are free and they're free for commercial use. As well as that, please check out the Solo Boss Design Academy, which is a group on Facebook dealing with advanced tutorials in Doodly. They will be adding other tutorials on other things in the near future as well on there. As well as that, I hope you enjoy the video coming up. Have a great day, stay safe, and thank you for watching my channel. Thank you. Hello, this is Tony. Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Juggling. I'm going to recap of what we was talking about last time, which was basically which type of items you want to juggle with, whether it be the pyramid bean bags or the multicoloured balls that you can get from the local shops and things like that, and maybe the rings or even the clubs. I'm going to use the pyramid bags because they're my favourite. I find them very useful anyway. As well as that, I did talk about what you're supposed to do with just the one ball or one pyramid bag or whatever. Get used to the feel of it, get used to throwing it up in the air to about high height. Do it with your other hand as well, like that. Get used to it, you know, get the feel of it, right? Once you've done that, then I said what you need to do is use the one in your weakest hand and keep flicking it to your strongest hand, right? And then once you've got used to doing that, then throw it up, get used to it, throw it up, get used to it, like that. I'll get used to doing flicking it off with the left hand and throwing it up with the right, or vice versa if you're left-handed, right? Once you've got used to that, then you can go on to two, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do it really slowly. You go like that. So as you're throwing that one up, you flick the other one off with your weakest hand. So like that, right? And then you can go a little bit faster until you get really used to it. Okay. So now what you need to do is keep doing that until you get really used to it and get the feel of it, so you can understand it's so easy to do, you can do it without even looking there, right? Once you've done that and you've got used to that, then you can go on to better things, right? So the next one after that is doing similar sort of thing. You do the same as that, but what you do is you switch your right arm that way. So we go like that. Okay, but you do it nice and steady and slow, not too fast. Right, you see, very slowly. And it's all it is that movement with your right hand, and your left hand stays the same, but you just keep flicking it off like that with your thumb, right? So once you got used to that, then you can go on to other things, right? But you need to do that quite a bit before you can get used to it. So take your time, and then eventually you'll be able to do something like one-handed. I know one-handed is a bit harder, but obviously, you know, you can do it. It's not too hard to do. Right, so I think I've done enough for this week. I will get on to the one-handed ones next week. Okay, and then after that, the week after, we'll probably go on to 3. Okay. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial anyway. If you've got any questions, please leave a message down below the video and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe to Tony's Music. Thank you.